तो रेखा जी, क्या आप हमसे दोस्ती करेंगी?
And welcome to our podcast, Relationships Aajkal, where we talk and discuss pressing issues pertaining to every relationship, be it with your partners, your parents, your friends, bosses, or even your neighbors. I'm Prajakta.
And I'm Kalpit, and we will be your hosts in this podcast. But before we dive right in and let's accept it, probably never come back, let us give you a little preview of what you are in for. In today's episode, we shall be talking about the biggest lie we have been telling to whole world since we were kids.
But we are best friends, yeah. We shall be talking about whether you really stay friends forever or not, and whether it is okay if you don't, or are you a monster of a person.
ये दोस्ती क्या हम तोड़ेंगे? So, Prajakta, one of the first things I noticed about you when I started noticing you 9 years ago was that you always had this group of friends around you.
Yeah, see, I sort of deem myself lucky in that area that I've always had the best of friends in my life since childhood till now, and hopefully in future also. I always made friends easily, no matter in what phase of my life. In childhood, it basically used to be a good distraction or escape from my life which was going on. It served as a safe haven in case of friends. Like, they accepted me the way I was, my goofy side, my idiotic side, or my crass side, and never judged me about it. And that's the most you can actually
Yeah.
expect from people who are
Yeah.
in your school. I grew up with these people, and then I went to college. I seeked a lot of emotional support in my friends, and they always cater to that. I actually truly believe that the best relation you can have in your life are friends,
Correct.
better than your partner. You need friends in your life. मतलब partner नहीं हो तो भी चलेगा. This is not a personal.
Yeah.
I am not taking a leaf out of my personal life. I just
See, we
mean-
always discuss that we are the best friends.
Yeah, we are. Like, I'm sorry if my other friends will feel offended by this, but yeah, you are my best friend too.
But we are best friends, yeah?
Rahul और अंजलि का झगड़ा.
I hope ना हो.
I've never had a phase जब मेरा कोई ऐसा एकदम best friend नहीं था, and I ever felt lonely in my life. In the friends area, obviously. So yeah, in my college, my friends supported me in a lot of things. My emotional needs, I always had them when I needed them. The 4 a.m. friends kind of situation, because we
Correct.
did not sleep till 5 a.m. apparently, and then we used to attend college at 7
At
in the
7.
morning.
Yeah.
That, I mean, we left the home at 7, but we didn't end up to the classroom. That's a different thing.
Yeah.
But yeah,
My mom will agree.
and the importance of friends in my life is very huge, because they have filled a gap in my life. Like, let's face it, our wedding was arranged, at least from my side, by my
Correct.
friends.
Yes.
Usually it's people's cousins and relatives. I didn't have that. I don't have an extended family. So friends are my extended family, or even dearer than that. So yeah, out of everyone, I would really implicate upon the importance that friends have in my life. And they have shaped me. They have calmed me down. They have made me the at least seemingly calm person which I am till today. But then, as opposed to me, Kalpit, you don't have a fixed set of friends. Like, I don't think that I've seen you hanging out with your childhood friends the way I still do.
Yeah. I think my friends were there in phases. They never actually got carried forward to next phase. But at the same time, it never happened that if I'm doing something, or if I'm in a particular phase, or if I'm in college or in school, or maybe doing these other courses, or maybe even when I'm working, it never happened that I have zero friends.
Right.
So I have friends, but my sort of reason for making friendships are a little different.
Right.
For me, it is just to make that particular phase bearable. So if my work life, let's say whatever friends I have at my workplace, They are there for those 8 hours, 10 hours which I'm going to be in office. These are not the people who know all the deepest secrets about me, or these are not the people who know much about me beyond my work persona or beyond my work
Right.
life. At the same time, when I was doing different courses, like we were doing that GMCS thing, or
Yeah.
we had that orientation thing, even there I made lot of friends.
Yeah.
Do I talk to them now after 2 years? No.
Yeah, you have been that person who has been in the moment.
Yeah, so I have lot of friends when I'm doing something, and those friends are generally not the ones who get carried forward to next phase.
Yeah. You know, I observe one thing about you, that you have a very sorted personal life. Since you have a very close knit family, I don't think you need friends over and
We
above
can-
them
yeah,
for
I mean-
emotional support. If that's the criteria we are talking about, I don't think you need friends. You make friends, sure, but you don't need them. I know this sounds very selfish.
No, but I agree with you.
Everyone has different expectations from friendships.
Correct.
And I think yours is just being a good companion in those 7 to 8 hours which you spend with them
Exactly.
out of situation.
Exactly. That is how it has been. I had, of course, when I was in school, I had lot of childhood friends who were there from my class 1 to class 10th.
Yeah.
And when we moved to colleges, we went to different colleges. We were maybe again, everybody promised to be friends forever. Everybody
you?
promised.
I don't think you are that sort of guy, please.
फ्रेंडशिप बैंड्स तो बांध लेते थे जिस पे फ्रेंड्स फॉरएवर लिखा होता था.
So you didn't explicitly say it.
Yeah, it was a written contract with sign. So
Fito,
yeah,
in that case, we had it like temporarily tattooed on us with markers on Friendship Day.
Yes, एकदम. पेपर नहीं मिला तो
पेपर होके भी
Yeah.
हम एक दूसरे पे लिखते थे. दैट वाज बीइंग कूल. ये जो तुम फ्रेंडशिप बैंड की बात करी, ये बहुत 3rd 4th स्टैंडर्ड थिंग है.
So yeah, of course, even when we completed our 10th, everybody went their different ways. But everybody thought of staying friends forever. People were in touch for next 6 months, 8 months, maybe a year. But then eventually it just fizzled out. So don't you think childhood friendships are tricky because the thing your friendship was based on has changed years ago?
I would want to agree to that because I had a lot of friends in my childhood. Some of them made it through to the other side and some didn't. And there was not a specific reason for that. We never thought about it explicitly about why it happened. Or we didn't even think that, we aren't friends anymore. Few of them. I think that is because the thing which your friendship is based on in your childhood, that changes a lot. For example, if you were friends when you were kids till 9th standard, 10th standard in your school, you go through a huge personality transformation, especially after school.
Correct.
Because that's when people give you the power to take your own decisions. That is the first time you're actually deciding something for yourself.
Correct.
From the career decisions, which stream to choose, which college to choose, and what do you want to do in future. I know you don't end up doing that even
Yeah.
at that moment, but you go different ways. You see the world actually as your own. You aren't protected anymore by anyone. You are on your own.
Correct.
Outside. And that changes you. That changes the smallest thing in you, like your choice of food, to the biggest thing in you, like your ability to trust people anymore.
Yeah.
You go through a huge transformation, and maybe after those few years you might not connect with your best friend from school anymore because their thoughts and your thoughts must have changed completely. And it's no one's fault. They aren't wrong and you aren't wrong. It's just you guys have become two different persons which you don't even recognize anymore.
Correct.
And then if your friendship was based on some common ground, if you both were in the same sports team, you both were academically good, and you used to be actually each other's rivals for the first rank in your school.
Yeah.
And if you don't have that anymore, how connected will you feel?
Correct.
You know, like if you meet after a year, what would you talk about?
Exactly.
You don't have anything in common.
Correct.
So once that common ground goes,
disappear.
it disappears if within you. you don't stand a chance of having a lifelong friendship because let's face it, our childhood friends are based on very superficial things.
Correct.
They are not about, oh, Kalpit is such a good person at heart. You don't think about heart when you're in
Exactly.
school. You think about, oh, how cool he is. Oh, he has a lot of friends. Oh, he sits on the first bench.
Hmm.
Oh, he knows all the answers.
Hmm.
Your friendships, your likings are
Very
based on very.
exterior.
You don't even know each other that well.
Hmm.
So, what if after 4 to 5 years you come to see that, oh, Kalpit was a misogynist, and you discover that, and you feel petrified of being associated to him as a friend.
Yeah.
So will you just continue it just because you promised years ago that, oh, you're going to be friends, and now you
Correct.
might look like a bitch, and then he'll be a misogynist and call you a bitch?
वैसे उसने स्कूल में लड़की को धक्का तो दिया था
तभी तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आया था
तब
बिकॉज
मुझे
सबने
लगा,
ताली
wow.
बजाई थी उसके लिए.
और रनिंग रेस में धक्का देना इज सो कॉमन वी थॉट
We thought that is the hurdle race.
Yeah.
Hurdle clear करने थे तो competitors को ढकेल दिया साइड में, खत्म.
बट नाउ वी रियलाइज वो धक्का देना yeah, I mean that happens. So Prajakta, do you think these are the major reasons why majority of friendships don't last long?
See, honestly, I've seen people from my school whose childhood friendships have lasted quite a long. Like till now, they are thick friends. They are a part of each other's important events like engagements, weddings, baby showers. And salute to them because I know a lot of efforts go behind that.
Correct.
But honestly, I think childhood friendships don't last that long effortlessly in cases where maybe you guys go different ways.
Correct.
If we were friends till school and you choose a different stream, I choose a different stream.
Hmm.
Obviously, we are going to spend a lot of the time of our day in different places.
Correct.
Our colleges will be different, and let's face it, why did we make friends in the first place? Because if आप 8 घंटे स्कूल में जा रहे हो तो इतना हॉरिबल फील करने से बेटर है बाजू वाले से दोस्ती कर लो, आपका टाइम कट जाएगा.
साथ में हॉरिबल फील करते हैं
आपकी फर्स्ट फ्रेंडशिप भी वही सिचुएशन
Yeah.
बेसिस पे फॉर्म हुई थी कि
KG में
कंपेनियनशिप.
2 बच्चे रोते हुए दिखे, मुझे भी रोना आ रहा था, हम तीनों साथ में रोए.
सो तो तुम्हारा शेयर्ड दुख ने तुमको साथ में लाया.
करेक्ट.
So if you go to a different college and you're going to be miserable there now for the next 7 to 8 hours, you'll obviously choose a different herd of friends then.
या 2 बंदे थे, उनके पास भी कोई बंदियां नहीं थी, मेरे पास भी नहीं थी, तो हम तीनों साथ में आके तीनों के पास बंदियां नहीं थी.
Exactly. Then just life happens यार.
Correct.
आपके अलग फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं, मेरे अलग बन जाते हैं. Then on weekends, maybe you are just so tired that you don't feel like going anywhere and catching up with your old friends. And then you just drift apart. It's
Correct.
as simple as that. There's no bad blood between you, no bad feelings. Life happens. That's it.
Exactly. And I mean, end of the day, out of sight and out of mind exists for a reason.
Yeah. So that's one reason where I think that you just go different ways physically, situation wise, and आप चाह के भी एक दूसरे को टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे हो.
Correct.
And the second point is, maybe you guys are together, but both of you go through adulting in a very different way.
Yeah. Correct.
If your personalities change a lot, if your thoughts change a lot, and you don't relate to that person anymore, you feel that person has changed beyond your capacity of adjustment.
Correct.
Then you can't stay friends because आपको फोर्स करना पड़ेगा फिर आपका लाइकिंग टुवर्ड्स
Correct.
समवन.
Correct.
फिर उनमें एंड रिलेटिव्स में क्या फर्क रहा?
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly.
फ्रेंडशिप का एक ही तो बड़ा एडवांटेज है दैट इट इज एफर्टलेस. यू हैव योर चॉइस इन चूजिंग द पीपल whom you like, and that person can become a totally different person in few years.
Correct.
Not their fault, not your fault.
Or sometimes you become a completely different person.
Exactly.
Maybe they are the same. They have the same maturity of a 15-year-old, but
Yeah,
now
okay.
everybody is 25. Maybe you have grown up, they haven't.
Correct.
Even that becomes a big hurdle to continue to be friends with such people. No?
Right. Really, honestly, like people give a very negative connotation to this thing that अरे change हुए तो क्या friends थे. But then do you find it okay to drag that relationship or that friendship like a dead cat around कि
Yeah.
बस वादा किया था निभाना पड़ेगा.
Correct. That is what we do with our relatives, no? We can't just go on Facebook and put relationship with Chacha over
Now Bhatija is my new
Bhatija
best
is my
friend.
new best friend. That you can do with friends. You can't do that with relatives. And that
I
is the
know.
best part of friendship.
I feel bad when people give it a very villainish sort of feeling कि अरे ये अब इसके साथ फ्रेंड नहीं है, या अरे ऐसे कैसे तू फ्रेंडशिप तोड़ रही है, ऐसे कैसे तेरे बाकी के फ्रेंड्स बन गए. पीपल हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इवन विद दैट तुमने किसी और को फ्रेंड्स बना दिया. हो जाता है. यू आर ह्यूमंस. आप बाहर निकलते हो घर से तो नाक कान बंद करके तो नहीं निकलोगे. यू विल इंटरेक्ट विद.
करके आजकल निकलना पड़ता है बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड.
ओफ, अरे डोंट रिमाइंड मी. मैं तो बाहर नहीं निकली 2 मंथ से. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट लोगों के ट्रेन फ्रेंड्स भी बन जाते हैं. पीपल हैव अ ट्रेन ग्रुप. व्हाई? बिकॉज आप एक कंसिडरेबल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, सी 2 थिंग्स ब्रिंग यू टुगेदर, ईदर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम या शेयर्ड पेन. ट्रेन्स आर पेन बहुत ज्यादा. तो एटलीस्ट वो साथ में दुखी होते हैं. दोनों को सीट नहीं मिली, दोनों को चढ़ने नहीं मिला.
करेक्ट.
दैट्स द रीजन यू मेक फ्रेंड्स.
मेरा चश्मा गिर गया था यार.
हाँ, तुम्हारा फोन चोरी हो गया था.
फोन चोरी हो गया था, किसी और का भी चोरी हुआ था. वी वर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स देन. वी वुड हैव
You
बीन
were
बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स
with that
डॉक्टर
doctor
अंकल.
uncle.
डॉक्टर अंकल, if you are listening to this.
प्लीज सब्सक्राइब.
And आपकी
दोनों-
बेटी भी थी, I remember.
This sounds so creepy.
नहीं, I'm just saying कि वो बच्ची थी, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कराओ.
ओह, दैट वे. वरना मुझे लगा वो मिसोजिनिस्ट के आगे कुछ और भी टैग ऐड करना पड़ेगा.
Not that.
But Kalpit, sometimes I wonder if it's a bad thing that a lot of my important friendships didn't go through. Yeah, I do feel bad in some of the cases. Few of the cases where we actually were really good friends, but due to I don't know, even I might be at fault, obviously. I think I am. I'm not saying that it's all situational, but I feel bad that I don't have that kind of friendship with people who really mattered to me a lot at one time. I don't know, is that really bad if I do not have those movie kind of friendships where you guys are in touch with each other constantly 24/7? I don't have that.
See, how I feel about this is, if your friendships ended on a good term, and when I say good term, I just mean that there is no blame game. There is no bad blood. Nobody's saying that you were the culprit, or if nobody's blaming each other, I think then it's perfectly okay. Then it just means that you have grown apart, or you wanted different things with life and you have moved on, and they wanted different things in life and they have moved on to that thing. But if it's on a bad term, let's say there is some misunderstanding which is happening, somebody is feeling hurt because of something,
Right.
then I think you can just sort it out. You can just maybe discuss with them that what is the thing which is bothering them. If you can do something about it, then we can just do that. And then if it feels forced, see, I think the main thing about friendship is that it should be effortless.
Yeah.
It should be something which you don't feel forced to continue to do. So if it is forced, if even sorting that out feels forced, then I think it's the best thing that you guys are not talking anymore.
I
Or
like that
maybe-
point that where sorting it out makes you feel forced.
Yeah.
Because if you don't even feel like sorting it out, maybe you should just let it be
Yeah.
the way it is.
Lot of blame of people feeling bad of not having a gang of friends or not having regular friends is because these movies which glorify friendship. It's movies like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, which makes you feel that you are if you are friends, you are supposed to go to Spain. You are supposed to get a trip together.
I felt so bad कि हमारा गोवा प्लान बनने के लिए 2 महीना लगेगा, उसके बाद भी तीसरे महीने में कोई ड्रॉप आउट करेगा.
Exactly.
And usually it will be me saying अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे. Otherwise 100 other issues. किसी का जॉब है, किसी की माँ है, and you cannot just make it. And then I feel कि यार commit करके भी आप नहीं, you just cannot show up. It's so bad. यहाँ पे लोग स्पेन जा रहे हैं.
Correct. Even friends for that matter.
Right.
The show I'm talking about. Even
I'm
the
familiar
friends.
with that.
So even French show for that matter. They show that out of 24 hours they're spending 20 hours together. And if it's Monica and Chandler, they're spending 24 hours together.
Oh yeah.
While people have those kind of relationships and those kind of friendships.
See, but Kalpit, that seems doable because they live really nearby. They are neighbors. अगर मैं भी neighbors में friends होते मैं पूरा time उनके घर पे पड़ी रहती. तो even that seems doable. But honestly, I'll tell you, मेरा जो friend level में transformation हुआ है ना, at this moment, I'm at a stage where I'm so swamped with the things which are going on in my life. चलो अभी तो at least I'm settled quite a lot. I'm free. I'm in a good space. But before that, a lot of things were going on in our personal lives.
Correct.
The stress of getting married, work was a lot of things, getting adjusted to new changes in the life, that I didn't have that leisure of being in contact with someone कि क्या खाया, क्या किया, वो आज क्या हुआ. I didn't have that much time.
Correct.
It's like especially when I was in branch, I used to go work my ass off. My brain used to go numb at the end of the day. I would just robotically travel back home.
Correct.
And I would get 1 or 2 hours free with me before I go to sleep. So I would rather spend that 1 hour talking to you because you made me feel better and alive.
Correct.
That I did not give that 1 hour to anyone else. मेरे में उतनी ताकत ही नहीं होती थी कि वो formality निभाऊं of keeping in touch with friends कि hey, are you guys okay, are you guys okay, what's going on, what's
Correct.
up with you, because a lot was going on with me.
Correct.
And the weekend which I got, I used to just lie dead in my bed कि आज कुछ नहीं करना है, आज कोई काम नहीं करना है, किसी से बात नहीं करनी है. Not because I was depressed or something, but it's just I needed a break from that week's work.
Correct.
So I ended up not being in contact with my friends for months altogether. A few of them understood, a few of them didn't. And I know that it's not their job to understand me.
Agreed.
But somewhere I felt that had become a pattern in a phase of my life recently. Now I'm in that place where I can give all of my time to people. I can connect with them. I can have a few good laughs with them.
Correct.
Because now there's a lot less on my plate right now.
Exactly.
So I can do that.
Exactly.
But there was a phase in my life jahan pe I could not give any time and I lost a lot of friends because of that. But somewhere the ones that remained, I now feel a deep sense of gratitude towards them. Ki
Exactly.
bhai, thank you so much for understanding me in that phase of mine, sticking with me in my important events.
Correct.
And being by my side, literally, not even figuratively.
Correct.
That now I feel so good about all that. I feel so lucky. And I will be there for them in their important time, no matter what I'm doing, because they were there for mine.
Exactly.
So, yeah, fine. Now I think things will happen if they have to happen.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And
see,
that-
if your emotional needs are being fulfilled either by 2 friends or 20 friends, that doesn't
Exactly.
matter. Till
Exactly.
the time you're not actually alone and you need someone, then
Correct.
it's okay that you really have the need of wanting someone in your life. Otherwise, आपका 2 लोगों से भी काम बन रहा है, you are just happy in your own little world. That's good. Before
Correct.
social media, you didn't have that pressure on you कि
Exactly.
600 friends दिखे list में या इतने likes तो आने ही चाहिए. That does not reflect into actual friendship. So it's okay even if you have 2 loyal friends besides you. And वो friends भी हो ऐसा नहीं है. Maybe your sister can be your best friend, your parents can be your
Exactly.
best friends. So जो भी आपको friends से मिलता है, अगर वो आपको किसी और relation से मिल रहा है, that's perfectly okay and somewhat good कि आपको अलग time नहीं देना पड़ता है
Correct.
to different people just because you have compartmentalized them. कि
Exactly.
आप parents हो, आपसे parents वाली बात होगी, आप friends हो, तुमसे normal फालतू वाली
मैं
बात
तुमसे
होगी.
एडवाइस नहीं मांगूंगा, गाइडेंस नहीं मांगूंगा.
उसके लिए मैं
उसके
अपने
लिए-
थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाऊंगा.
जो मुझसे 10,000 1 घंटे का बात करने के लिए लेता है.
So how do you want to sum it up, Kalpit? ये दोस्ती क्या वो तोड़ेंगे तो ठीक होगा? Are you a monster?
I think it's fine if you don't have that many friends.
बच्चों, to sum it up, have a lot of friends, have fun, support each other in their difficult times. But it's okay if you don't have it with the same set of friends forever. You can do all these things with no matter 1 friend, 2 friend, 100 friends. It's okay. It's just that don't do bad to anyone.
Exactly.
आप सही रहो जब तक आप किसी और को नहीं हर्ट कर रहे हो आपके एक्शंस के साथ. आई थिंक इट इज ओके. इट्स
Correct.
ओके टू बी फ्रेंड्स. एंड टू द वंस हु आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम योर चाइल्डहुड,
Friends forever.
you still cannot beat Amitabh and Rekha ji. वो लोग ही है
बहुत
बेस्ट
यार.
फ्रेंड्स. 1 करोड़ कैमरास लगे हम पे. So you won't have that friendship जहाँ पे जब अमिताभ पे कैमरा जाता है तो रेखा पे भी जाएगा. That is friendship. ये
Exactly.
होनी चाहिए आपके पास.
Every time when Amitabh Bachchan is going to take an award, cameraman का first duty क्या है?
रेखा जी को ढूंढना नहीं क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ढूंढ चुका है बिकॉज उसको पहले से पता है अमिताभ जी को
Correct.
कुछ तो मिलने वाला है
मिलने वाला है,
अवार्ड.
कुछ
वरना नॉर्मल ऑडियंस में बैठे रहते तभी भी वी विल डू आवर जॉब
Correct.
सेटिस्फैक्शन.
Exactly.
So, yeah, before signing off, our next podcast episode will be based on a topic which every adult grapples with.
Ooh.
Wow, adult की बात करो Kalpit, not you. That how should your ideal work life look? Should you pursue your passion or focus on raking the moolah? Is work-life balance necessary? And if yes, how do you draw the line? Tune in next Sunday to know more.
I want to listen to this episode.
It feels like I've hired you to just make Phoebe जैसा वो yummy noises जो बीच-बीच में encouraging if you were a Netflix subtitle, you would be in bracket encouraging sounds, agreeing sounds, yummy sounds. That's it. So guys, like, follow and subscribe to our podcast to get an uninterrupted dose of our discussions. Because for every subscribe we get, we'll donate that equivalent amount to a meaningful cause.
What is that cause, Prajakta?
So our cause of the week is
Introduce a monthly limit on baby photos on Facebook.
Yeah.
Because let's accept it, they don't do much. They just stand there, look cute.
sometimes they don't even stand, they are just lying there because they
Exactly.
cannot even stand.
And I don't want to see a baby dressed as a salad.
Trust us, like we have seen your baby yesterday and today and there's not much of a difference.
Exactly.
So बस करो यार, we know you make babies. हमारी population ऐसी नहीं बढ़ी है. You can find us on Spotify, YouTube, Google Podcasts and finally on Apple Podcasts too with the same name, Relationships Aajkal. See you next Sunday, one relationship at a time.